how to copy TikTok shop link. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to copy and get the link for a specific shop. So for example, we have this product over here. When we view this product, we could see that this item over here, we could see all of its information. And we could collect or select shop over here to see more of the items. Now, if you want to share this shop to someone, you can simply click on share over here on the top right. And over here, we have the option copy link on the left side as you can see. If you can't see the copy link button over here below, simply scroll across and you should be able to find it either in the middle or at the end. So simply select that, and as you can see, the link has been copied and now you can simply send it to someone or paste it wherever you want it to be on your different websites or maybe your social media posts. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.